Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. Today we are going to discuss a case law on the taking back of the compensation amount which the complainant gained and ultimately when she resigned from her own statement. While giving bail or while directing the accused OM Sharma to be released on bail in the case of OM Sharma versus State of UP in criminal miscellaneous bail petition number 12379 by 2022 on 31st May 2022, Honorable Single Judge Sanjay Kumar Singh of Allahabad High Court. He held that when the victim resiles or turns hostile from the prosecution case, then definitely the compensation which was paid to her, it has to be refunded. So, very good judgment. Definitely. Normally, in some cases like SC/ST Act cases, like rape cases, so the victims will be given compensation for the loss of their modesty or some other things, for the loss of the reputation of the society, so many things. And when she purposefully, voluntarily, with an evil intention, to turn hostile from her earlier statement and deposes the same in the court of law, definitely, so there should be some punishment to her for giving the false evidence. And the compensation which was sanctioned to her should also be refunded. This is what the judgment says. Now we'll look into the facts of the case. Right. So the accused OM Sharma, he was accused of raping the victim. Right. And this happened in the year 2020. He was arrested on 12/12/2020. Right. Then different cases and even Post 376 was registered against him, and he has actually filed a bail petition, and it was rejected on 13/8/2021, almost 1 year, just 1 year, 8 months later. Also, he was not given bail. Why he was not given bail? This is also an important point. So, the victim not only deposed against the accused in her FIR, as well as she has given 164 statement also. 164 statement is having the sanctity because it's recorded before the magistrate. The magistrate will tell the pros and consequences of giving the 164 statement also. So it is strengthening to the prosecution story. So therefore, basing on the 164, the Honorable Court rejected bail petition to him on 13/8/2021. Right. Now, it has ordered for the early trial. Okay, anyway, the trial is going on. Now, something happened during the trial. During the trial, she resigned or she turned hostile from the prosecution story. Then, normally, she will be declared as a hostile witness, and when the public prosecutor has to ask her as to why she turned hostile and what are the facts, why she has turned down the facts from the 164 statement. She stated that she has given the 164 statement due to pressure from her husband and also from the police, which the magistrate or which the court will not believe. Because you may be knowing, when at the time of giving 164 statement, normally the judge will tell the so-called person going to give the 164 statement that it may go against him also. And he will give some time, 24 hours time will be given. Go, think over, then only come with matter. Then second time when he comes over the matter, once again he will ask him, are you going to give a clean breast of everything? Yes, then only the judge will record. So how can there be pressure on the part of the police, or how can there be pressure on the part of the husband, which is absolutely, totally nonsensical. Court did not believe it. So due to which, now the trial part almost important witness. She herself has turned hostile. The other witnesses definitely they would follow suit. Therefore, second time this husband, that is OM Sharma, accused person, he filed the bail petition. So he has enclosed a certified copy of the deposition of the victim. So now definitely the court was directed the accused to be released on bail. At the same time, it held that due to the act of the victim, the accused person lost reverence in the society. His reputation is lost, no doubt. Article 14, Article 21 says everybody is equal, everybody has got a right to dignity. Of course, if the case ends in acquittal, acquittal may be actually his reverence may be washed away or reputation may be washed to some extent only, but not to the entire. That's not enough. So therefore, please remember, here what the court wants is neither the victim or nor the accused or the witness, victim, witness or accused person, they should not be permitted to subvert a criminal trial by stating falsehood and by stating so many contradictions. So please remember, criminal case should not become a mockery. So no doubt, normally what the court will do, basing on the turning hostile witness statement, the court cannot convict the accused person. So what happens ultimately? The accused person will come out clean with clean hands. Should not be done. So court has taken it very seriously. So since she herself has resiled from the prosecution or got back from the earlier 164 statement, no sympathy can be shown towards her. Therefore, she should be punished under section for false perjury, and the summary trial should be conducted under section 344 crpc. This is one of the directions. So summary trial should be conducted if the witness were giving false evidence under section 344 crpc. At the same time, the court or the government should recover or should see that the amount of compensation paid to her is refunded. So very good judgment. Please read it and enrich your legal knowledge. 2 points are more important in this thing. Number 1, perjury. Number 2, refunding of the compensation amount which was already paid to her. Right? Good decision. Please read it. Thank you very much.